Welcome to Beautyistic. Today we're exploring something that's likely been on your radar if you're looking for a simple way to upgrade your daily routine. Meet the Philips Sonicare 4100 Electric Rechargeable Power Toothbrush, a sleek, modern toothbrush designed to give your smile a serious upgrade. Let's dive into what makes this tool stand out and see if it's really worth your investment. This toothbrush promises to remove up to 5 to 7 times more plaque compared to your traditional manual brush. It's equipped with a powerful sonic technology that gives your teeth that fresh, dentist-clean feeling after every use. The sleek black design, paired with the white Optimal Plaque Control replacement toothbrush heads, gives it a very premium feel. But let's see if the performance matches the look. The brush's key feature is its ability to remove plaque more effectively than a manual brush, thanks to the unique brushing technology that uses high-frequency movements. The brush comes with a built-in pressure sensor to help prevent excessive brushing pressure, which can be tough on your gums. For anyone who's concerned about brushing too hard, this is a thoughtful addition. Also, with up to 14 days of battery life, it's perfect for travel or even just a busy lifestyle. When I first used it, I was struck by how easily it integrated into my routine. The handle is comfortable, and the bristles feel gentle yet effective on my teeth. It takes only 2 minutes for each brushing session. There's a built-in timer that vibrates every 30 seconds to remind you to switch areas of your mouth. So simple, yet so effective. The real difference was the clean feeling after brushing. My teeth felt noticeably smoother, and I had that post-dental appointment feeling. Now, let's talk about the pros and cons. On the plus side, this toothbrush is super easy to use, and the battery life is impressive. I didn't have to worry about charging it constantly, which is a huge bonus for busy people. The pressure sensor is also a nice touch if you tend to brush hard. On the downside, while it's great for daily cleaning, it doesn't have any extra modes for sensitive teeth or gum care, which could have been a helpful addition for those with specific dental needs. But overall, the performance is solid, and it really does live up to its claim of plaque control. Now let's talk about value for money. At its price point, you're getting solid quality. It's not the most budget-friendly toothbrush out there, but the technology, design, and longevity justify the price. If you're someone who values long-term investment in your dental hygiene, the Philips Sonicare 4100 provides good value for what you're paying. When comparing it to other similar products in the market, it holds its own quite well. Other electric toothbrushes like Oral-B's Pro 1000 or some of the higher-end Sonicare models may offer extra features like different cleaning modes, but they come with a higher price tag. If you're someone who just wants a reliable, no-frills electric toothbrush, this model will serve you well. In terms of build quality, the Philips Sonicare 4100 feels sturdy and well-made. The handle has a good grip, and the brush heads are easy to replace. However, the lack of advanced features like a pressure control setting or different brushing modes might be a downside for those who want a more personalized brushing experience. Midway through, I just want to quickly remind you, if you find this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so that more beauty lovers can discover this video. Your support helps us keep making these honest reviews. And if you're already itching to grab this toothbrush, the link is in the comments below. Now let's talk customer service. I've heard great things about Philips customer support in general. While I personally didn't need to reach out to them for this product, the brand has a solid reputation for addressing inquiries and any product concerns swiftly, which is always reassuring when buying electronic items. As for updates, there haven't been any major changes to this model. It's been around for a while and is still performing well, so no surprises there. Looking for a more affordable alternative? If you're trying to stay within budget, Oral-B's Pro 1000 is a solid choice. It's similarly priced and offers many of the same features, including the 2-minute timer and pressure sensor, but at a more wallet-friendly price. To wrap things up, the Philips Sonicare 4100 Electric Rechargeable Power Toothbrush is an excellent choice for those who want a reliable, easy-to-use toothbrush that provides a noticeable clean without all the bells and whistles. It delivers on its promise of plaque removal and comes with a user-friendly design, making it ideal for anyone looking to step up their oral hygiene routine without breaking the bank. Thank you for watching. If you've used this product, drop a comment below and let us know your thoughts. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.